Welcome to Primo RV Centre and a first look at a new to us 2018 Freedom Express 246 RKS. This is still a best-selling floor plan for us here at Primo RV Centre, and it's one of our customer favorites for about the last 10 years. So it's a great place for a lot of new owners to start, but it's also a wonderful place if you've got a bit smaller trailer and are looking for something a little bit longer to perhaps take you on those longer trips, or we've even had some clients that choose to eventually come off the road, and this is a perfect little unit to fit on some of those smaller waterfront campsites and just stay stationary. So it's a very flexible unit that can be used in a lot of different ways. Great weight, comes in at 5,000 pounds, or just a hair under 5,000 pounds. The body itself 24.5 feet, and then tip to tail you're just a hair over 28 feet. So again, very towable by a wide range of vehicles, from bigger SUVs to smaller mid-sized trucks to full-size trucks. So lots of options there. Up front, we do have a standard power jack for the year that remains. We've got 2 propane tanks here. Lots of room for multiple batteries. Part of what we do here at Primo RV Centre on used is the first thing initially when it comes in, it gets a full check over, and what we're looking for is water infiltration, and we want to make sure there isn't any. And if there is, it's just not something that we are going to resell to the public. Others choose to do it differently. We just don't want to put our name to something that's had potential issues and that could potentially cause you health issues down the road with mold and mildew and all those things. So this has been thoroughly checked over, and then we've also gone through, sealed up any areas just for regular maintenance. This was a client that purchased it from us. We had done regular maintenance for them, so it was already in good shape, and we've just sort of done the things that kind of it was time for. One of those being brand new tires. So if you're looking to hit the road this summer, you have brand new tires. They're going to be good for another 5 years. Every 5 years you should replace those. We've got pass-through storage here on the front, going across 8 feet, magnetic catches. We're prepared for solar, so we've got a plug-and-play option here for solar. So if you do want to get off-grid, we've got some great choices that can plug and play into that. This particular model, one of the big features that people absolutely have always loved is the length of the awning here. You've got an 18-foot awning stretching from the front compartment all the way past your tandem wheels. Nice big window here with your dinette that looks onto your campsite, not at your neighbor's. And then you've got some outdoor cooking here just behind this little hatch here. You're going to have a brand new 2-burner stove that we've added to the mix. We've got a great little window view too on the back from the kitchen. Spare tire there. We've got 4 oversized jacks. As we come in the door, even with the slide out this unit's going to be fully accessible to all areas of the coach on the road. So they designed the slide out so that you can step through and step into the bedroom. As we first come in the door here, we're going to have most of those switches that typically we're going to want to use or check. So we've got our tank monitors here we can check on. We've got our switches for our gas, electric, hot water tank. We've got our switches for all our lights and our awning. We have a propane electric fridge here, nice 8 cubic foot size, so very well suited to being off-grid. And then if you did add some solar and some additional battery to this particular coach, it would be well suited to, again, occasionally being off-grid. You've got great window coverage here, so you can really see 360 if you're sitting at the dinette or you're sitting at the couch. You can see all the way around, and that's one of the things that customers have absolutely loved. I can see a lot of pet owners love the fact that you've got the 2 big corresponding windows across from each other. When they're open on a hot day like today, you're going to get a ton of airflow. And then you've got the 2 additional windows back here. We do have ducted air conditioning, so all the ceiling ducts here. We're going to have that air conditioning pumping nice and cool throughout the coach from bedroom to rear, and thermostats just on the wall here. We have a table that can come outside. So this was the first year that they had a table that wasn't attached to the floor. So this can come right outside, but it also turns into a bed. So this has always been a popular unit for folks that may have older kids that may want to come once in a while, or just grandkids. It kind of gives you 2 bunks without having to have bunks. So it's a great alternative. The couch as well will make a bed. You've got a drink holder here, but they're also USB charging stations as well. So they got spots here built in. You've got a great little pantry here. It hides your slide switch as well. A great spot where you can again keep all the items on board you're naturally going to bring with you. A couple drawers. Great use of space here underneath the sink. That's your drawer for your cutlery. Huge sink here. So this is actually material they use in body armor, so it's quite resilient to anything that'll end up in there. You actually do have an oven, 3-burner stove, so very well equipped, and then lots of room for your dishes here at the top as well. You're going to have blinds on all windows, so if this does end up being a kind of a bed area here in the middle, you are going to have some blinds that you can black out as well. You do have a standard TV on mount here, so a TCL TV installed here that can swivel towards the couch for viewing. And then we do have speakers both inside and outside, and you can stream music to it as well with the system there. We've got USB charging there up in the corner as well. All the typically the carbon monoxide detectors and built-in fire detectors all should be changed every 3 years. They have all been done here, so that's all refreshed. We have fully gas tested the full propane system, so it is very safe. So this unit is ready for full travel for this year without having to do any other maintenance. So we have a brand new mattress in the kind of main bedroom area. So again, a nice feature on all our used ones. Typically, if it's not a folding mattress, you're going to see brand new mattresses in them as well. So this has that great storage underneath here, and then storage all around the bed here as well. We do have vents both in the bathroom and in the bedroom here. They both have vent covers on so they can remain open. You've got USB and 120 volt on either side of the bed, so if anybody has a CPAP machine, you're still well set up. And then we've got our full bathroom here, so great corner shower, lots of storage in the medicine cabinet and vanity, and quite a bit of room here around the toilet as well. So again, fully accessible on the road, so it makes for a great coach to, again, go far and wide with, and something that will fit on a lot of campsites as it's under 30 feet tip to tail and under 25 feet for the body, which really opens up a lot of provincial campsites. We invite you down to Primo RV Centre to come have a much closer look at this newly arrived, newly reconditioned 2018 246 RKS in Coachman's Freedom Express series.